Sometimes unlearning old habits and ways of working that have worked in the past, breaking those habits is actually harder than trying to learn something new. And with all the changes in the digital workplace right now with Microsoft 365, there's so many better ways of working. But it's always a case of, we've always done it that way. Old habits die hard. If it's not broken, why fix it? You can't teach an old dog new tricks. As it turns out, I can't actually teach a new dog new tricks, but I can help you to work in a better way. In this series of videos, I'll discuss and demonstrate older ways of working and try and encourage you to find a new way of working. See what's available to you in the Microsoft 365 Digital Toolkit. I'm Steve, a learning consultant at Appetite for Business. Welcome to the Unlearning Sessions.